Hello everyone, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Kumusta na naman po ang bawat isa? Naway nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan at ligtas sa anumang kapahamakan. So for today's video, I just want to show you the sign that the weather changes. And we can see that sign from that big tree. Look, those leaves all turn yellow now, and I will give you an everyday update of that big tree. That means from winter to springtime, those leaves will fall down, all of them will fall down until it finish. So yan, bibigyan ko po kayo ng araw-araw na update ng malaking punong kahoy na yan. Titingnan po natin. So yan po, abangan po natin yung everyday update ko sa malaking punong kahoy na yan. Today is March 10, and this is my update to that big tree. You see those leaves turn yellow now, and some of the branches no more leaves, all drop already. Okay, tomorrow again. Hello everyone, today is March 11, and for today's update of that big tree leaves, the leaves almost finished na po yung kanyang dahon. Tingnan nyo po doon sa kalsada, tabing kalsada I mean, a lot of falling leaves. So yan po ang ating update today. Day 3. Today is March 12. Oh. Day 4. Today is March 12. And look at that big tree. Almost no more leaves. Makikita mo yung bird's nest on top. Yan ang update po natin ngayon. At ang aabangan natin ay yung pag-usbong ng bago niyang dahon. So yan lang po ang update natin for today sa malaking punong kahoy na yan. Today is March 13. And this is the update of that big tree. Totally nawala na pong leaves. Yan ang ganda niya. Kahit walang leaves. Yan po. Bukas po ulit. Today is March 14. And look at that big tree. Totally no more leaves. Yeah. But look at on top, the bird's nest. Ayan, kitang-kita na po yung bird's nest. Ayun, may ibon na lumipad. So yan po ang ating update sa big tree na yan. Today is March 15, and look at that big tree. The new leaves are almost coming out. And today is March 16, at ito na po yung last na update natin sa malaking puno na yan sa paglagas ng kanyang mga dahon. So, aabangan po natin yung pag-usbong ng kanyang mga bagong dahon. So, yan lang po. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.